Hey there, DIYers. So today we're going to do some shed repair. Got squirrels that have been chewing through my shed, or my wife's she shed. So we're going to get that repaired and make it look a little better and protect it from the rodents. Stay tuned. So here you can see where squirrels just got in there and ate into this. Yeah, they just chewed it away. It's like, yum, 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 yum. Must taste good. I'm glad they're doing it here instead of on my Jeep. Anyway, I'm gonna put a big plate across here, I believe. Let's see. I guess I can start it from here. Yep. I think, yeah, we'll go across here. I'll stay underneath that. And in line with that, over to here. Yep, alright, so I need to get some screws. That'll secure back in there. Let's see. So about 13 across. We will say 43 and a half. At 43 and a half. So down 13. It's called when you don't have a sawhorse, you improvise. Make sure it's out away from, so I'm not cutting into the. Okay. This is my working piece. Fits in there beautifully. Oh, little spider. Didn't hurt you, did I? Alright, so I can just screw this in here, and I'll be good to go. Alright. Okay, so there we go. Got that all pretty much done. It's not the prettiest, but we're not really looking for the prettiest thing in the world. We just want it to be functional. So we got that patched back up. I'm gonna throw another coat of paint on this because it looks like the weather's gotten in there. And so we'll get this protected with some paint and we should be good from there. All right, so there you go. I just basically put this other piece of wood on there. There on the right side, squirrels were chewing the actual board, just eating it away. It looked like they had peeled it back to where they could get into it. Got another piece on the back side. I'm gonna do the same thing too. But it's up here, it's bolted, it's securely screwed in. And I've got caulking all the way around it to keep anything from getting up underneath it, and it's protected all the way around. And that piece of trim is secure back on there, so hopefully that'll deter the squirrels from trying to get back in there, and hopefully this will do it. Anyway, if you like this video, I appreciate if you'd like and subscribe down below. That helps the algorithm, and please comment on what you think of what I did here, as well as what you might have done differently. Anyway, I appreciate your viewing, and stay tuned. See you in the next one.